Hello, my super late procrastinator friends. If you're just like me, you just are very late to everything. I filmed this quick makeup look, a very intense looking one, for what I assumed was a Halloween video, but it is November 7th and I am just now doing a voiceover to it, which is the worst part of the video if you ask me. Today I'm using the Maybelline Dewy Look Fit Me foundation in porcelain. Here I am placing it Instagram style. I feel like this is one of the OG foundations that I'll probably wear it as long as they make it, honestly. And with my huge Sonia Kashuk beauty sponge, I'm just blending everything out. Make sure you bring it down to your neck. For a little contouring moment, I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation stick on a lighter shade, not too dark of a shade, but probably not as cool as I wanted it to be. It's a little warm toned for my taste. With a Real Techniques stippling brush, I am just trying to blend everything out, and as you can see, I am having a very hard time blending this foundation stick out because it's not that creamy. It's not a bronzer stick, it's a foundation stick, which you think it'll be easier to blend, but I don't know, maybe it was the brush. So I had to go with my beauty sponge and try to blend it even more out. Here I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit and some Wet n Wild concealer to clean up the edges. This is a powder product. And that's pretty much it for the brows, honestly. For the eyes today, I'll be using the James Charles by Morphe palette. Starting off with Canvas, that is a light shadow that I'm just putting all over the eyelid to prepare for the next shadows. For my crease and for build up, I am using the shadow called Punch Me. Gotta love these names, honestly, you'll see. And from then on, I honestly go straight to the dark color. I believe I am using Benny and Spooky. Benny is like a dark brown. It's like a very rich dark brown that I'm using to blend out the black shadow. This way it gives the smoky effect and it's not so sharp. And with that big fluffy brush, you're gonna be blending for about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Just make sure you smoke it all out. And honestly, this look is just gonna be called smoky or something, you know. I do add a little bit of concealer on my lid with my fingertip, just so I can add this bright purple pretty shadow. This one is called Artistry. It's like a very light purple, super glittery, shimmery situation. It's like a dual crown moment. Throughout the look, I seem to be intensifying my crease with some black. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. Just want to highlight your brow bone with some white shimmery shadow and smoke out the lower lash. I did secretly add some eyeliner and liquid liner. I feel like I don't like to put that on camera because I suck at with liner, okay? Sorry. And with the same concealer from my last video, this is all I seem to be using, which is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer. This is the satin finish and it's the hydrating one. It's not the super thick drawing one. That's the one with the black cap. I am using some brightening powder to set my under eyes, nose bridge, chin, and forehead. Here I'm showing you that I already bronzed up my face and put on some blusher. Make sure you highlight your inner corners. That really makes the eyes pop and stand out. Once you put your lashes on, I usually like to go over it again with a black liquid liner just to line up to hide the lash band. Sometimes the liner can come off a little ugly looking because the lash band is just like making it worse. And I'm using my lip duo from MAC. It's called Stone, in the lipstick and in the lip pencil. And now I know you've seen this little mask black rhinestone moment all over Instagram. A couple weeks ago before Halloween, Wet n Wild came out with these little gemstones for your face, and I bought it because I saw it on Instagram every other day. So I was like, yeah, I feel like this will make any look 1,000 times better, especially for Halloween. I really wish I could do some SFX makeup, like, you know, blood and stuff like that, but maybe another time. That's a little too messy right now. I feel like a lot of people dressed up for Halloween and said they did nothing, especially these YouTubers, but I know that they were out there and we've seen them on Insta stories, okay? Anyway, well, this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you did, I appreciate it. This is super late into the Halloween. I mean, this is an everyday look. It's not even Halloween, okay? Goodbye. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Sweetie will love it if you do. Look at her, she's so cute. See you in my next video. Bye.